Hi, my name is Mpatli, an absolute lover of health and wellness with a deep passion for decoding the science behind it, simplifying it, and sharing it. And today we'll be doing exactly that with Value Added Life. We'll be going through their range of products and chatting about them, especially from a healthcare provider point of view. I'm sitting here with Sim, who's been a pharmacist for over 15 years. Sim, thank you so much for chatting to us. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself and your background and your passion for pharmacy?
Thank you, Patli. Yes, I am a pharmacist by profession. I've loved all the time being in the community as a community pharmacist. So yes, the passion for me is always the healthcare that we provide for them.
And tell me more about your passion for natural healthcare.
Okay, natural healthcare. If you look at prescription medication, you do have side effects and different patients respond differently.
Yeah.
But with natural supplements, it's safer to use. And also, it's easily accessible because you can get that in a pharmacy without script. So that patient can access healthcare without really having financial constraints.
And talking about Procydin, which is a supplement that uses natural ingredients, what makes it different?
So when it comes to Procydin, Procydin has been on the market for a very long time.
Wow.
Patients have used it with no issues most of the time when you listen to them. And they feel a better life. So it's quality, I guess, and the longevity is maybe to be that popular.
And you are a community pharmacist, which means you interact a lot more closely with patients.
Correct, yes.
What's some of the feedback that you've gotten from your patients in terms of Procydin?
Procydin itself as a natural supplement, it's trusted. And what's amazing all the time, as I said, I happen to be attached to a pharmacy that has been one of the oldest in the country, in the community. So you see generations and generations coming in. You see people speaking about it.
Yes.
At one point, a mother of a child came to buy Procydin Junior and for herself and her mother. And when I looked at that, it's generations of, so that in itself where you get a continuity, that's where the popularity comes from. So,
And what would you say has fostered that trust over time?
Trust takes time to build. I guess with Procydin, they got it right into ensuring that the quality is there.
Yes.
Because you hardly hear any bad issues about it. So that longevity and the quality of that product, I think that's what has made it to be popular in that way and trusted.
And do you tend to recommend Procydin to your patients as well?
Yes, there are times where supplements are needed. For instance, somebody who has arthritis, they could consult a specialist or the general practitioners. But at times you need supplements for stronger bones.
Yeah.
So Procydin is one of that to help with those easing of joints.
Okay.
So the main thing is if they are stiff, you can recommend it. And the feel that you get from them is they feel better.
Yes.
They can move around and they feel good.
Okay.
So that's what it's about, the feeling.
Beautiful. And we know that Procydin provides quite a good balance between science, but also natural ingredients. Speak to us about the importance of that balance.
All right. Nature and science.
Yes.
But you know what? Nature is the future.
Yeah.
Because if you look at many pharmacies now, the natural supplements take a big space in pharmacies. And in that said, it's high in demand. But the science part, I think it adds on to the part that you want a safe and effective drug. You might have a natural item, but not all natural items are safe for certain patients in certain conditions. For instance, St. John's wort, it's contraindicated with patients who are on warfarin. But it's only science that can tell you that. So that's where now I say the nature and science come together to give you that safe and effective drugs. So that's why we've got confidence with natural supplements that are from reputable companies.
Amazing. Awesome. We know that supplements work best alongside a healthy lifestyle, but how do you explain that to patients?
I always say whether you end up diabetic or hypertensive, it's a result of a lifestyle. If you're eating unhealthy foods or you're eating too much sugar, you end up there. But now, if you live healthier and supplement, you recover quicker. So that's how then you expand that balance. It's like a typical one. Somebody is an asthmatic, but you're smoking.
Mm-hmm.
So every time you smoke, you're reversing your gains of being a healthy person.
Yes.
So the benefits of a healthier lifestyle with the supplements, I think that's how I try to go to the extreme to explain that.
Okay.
Even when you're diabetic, I always say to people, I mean, if you don't want to be a diabetic, live like a diabetic. So in that way, you know what to do now than to end up there in times where it was maybe related to a lifestyle.
And Sim, what would you say makes value-added life products different to other supplement products?
That's a good question, Patli. You know, with value-added life products, it's not a lot of them. But what you'd pick up with them is there's focus. And there's very good education about how to use them. So that is why you'd find that in each and every pharmacy, most of them you go to, you will find those products. So, and patients are using it with confidence. Even, I mean, the pharmacists are selling it with confidence because it's trusted. As I said, quality takes time. So I think that's why the difference is. They're natural, but at the same time, they've been on the market with no issues here for some time.
And you're right, they're quite pointed. I mean, there's only a range of about 5 to 6. So patients know exactly what to look for. And what have you heard from your patients in terms of feedback from using these value-added life products?
One is they're very well informed about them. And what you pick up with the usage of those value-added life products, whether it's Procydin or probiotics, people share good news. And they call it by name. So the fact that somebody comes and call it by name to you, they know the effect, how it treats them. Sometimes they come and they buy it for their neighbors or their next of kin. So in that way, I think in a summary, I would say, whenever they come, they say it makes them feel good. They feel healthier. And more alive, I guess, you know. So as if life is added to them, I don't know.
Absolutely. Sim, thank you so much for this absolutely insightful conversation. And if you would like to know more about value-added life products, valueaddedlife.com. Thank you.